Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, وقالوا ما في بطون هذه الأنعام خالصة لذكورنا ومحرم على أزواجنا وإن يكن ميتة فهم فيه شركاء سيجزيهم وصفهم إنه حكيم عليم. Translation: And they say, what is in the womb of such cattle is purely for our males and prohibited to females. But if it is born dead, then all men and women are partners in it. He will award punishment for their false attribution. Indeed, he is all wise, all knowing. As we have studied in the previous ayahs, that the mushrikeen in Makkah had made false beliefs and thoughts that were put by devils in their hearts part of their religion, and they used to think that these things are from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, ma'azallah, and they used to think that they will get good deeds by doing these man-made and self-invented rituals in the deen. One of their self-made belief was that if they are slaughtering an animal that has been at the name of any idol like Bahira or Saiba, and they find that the animal was pregnant and had a calf or little baby that was alive, so they will eat the baby, but only men could eat such a baby. But if the animal had a baby and it was dead, when they found it inside the womb of the slaughtered animal, both men and women are allowed to eat and they will eat from it. These beliefs were self-made and there was no sanad or no proof of these false beliefs, and they used to think that they are doing some good action by following these beliefs. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the end says that they will get painful punishment because of these self-made beliefs, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is Hakim and Alim. He is delaying in the punishment because the punishment will come in time. But if they think that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not know what they are doing, it is their false assumption, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is all knowing and He is all wise. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and make us steadfast on the straight path. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.